Secret Show Center. The primary mission of the 66th Rescue Squadron is worldwide combat rescue in support of combat air forces. The 66 RQS is one of 6 Air Force active duty HH-60 combat rescue units. The M45's advanced sensor package is designed to gather, use, and distribute information at any fighter mission, giving operators a decisive advantage. For the 422nd Test Evaluation Squadron, Squadron performs operational testing for all fighter aircraft and munitions.
Whitney F-100s that you hear. 23,000 pounds of thrust in each engine of the F-15 and behind gunship, the bad guys getting support. More air support will be needed. Close ground support as more jets will be called in. Back in 1943. It was the first American squadron in England equipped with the Northrop B-61 Black Widow night fighter. Meanwhile, on the ground, our ground forces are starting to engage, and the enemy has brought in the Hind helicopter now, the gunship, to defend on the ground attack. Demonstration, ladies and gentlemen. Flares being dropped on the inbound. One jet to the left. One coming in. As the aggressors are upon us now, ladies and gentlemen, from the 64th Aggressor Squadron, in their Fighting Falcons, painted in camouflage schemes identical to those observed on Russian-manufactured aircraft, providing air combat maneuvering training to the United States Air Force and other aviation forces in conjunction with red flag exercises. The squadron first formed the P-40 Warhawk Pursuit Squadron back in 1941 as part of the Army Air Corps Northeast Defense Sector. Left shoulder, starting with the B-25. Being flown today by Mark Murphy and Casey Odegaard. The Spitfire being flown by Warren Beach. The Corsair today piloted by Mike Schiffer. Our Mustang today is being flown by Brent Seghetti, the B-40 by Bernie Vasquez, and Sam Graves at the controls of the TBM Avenger. Texas Flying Legends are proud to have Champion Aerospace as a sponsor of the Texas Flying Legends Museum. Champion's involvement with aviation began in 1903 and continues today as the world's largest manufacturer of aviation spark plugs and is the #1 choice of pilots, mechanics, and engine manufacturers worldwide. There can be only one champion. They also want to thank Gibson & Barnes for their sponsorship of the team. Gibson & Barnes is America's largest manufacturer of made-to-order flight suits, uniforms, leather jackets, flying helmets, and aviation supplies for pilots, military emergency response, and law enforcement. Gibson & Barnes, superior products you can trust. The Texas Flying Legends Museum flies these airplanes to honor the men and women who built and flew them and fought for our freedom at home and abroad. They are, as I've said, part of the greatest generation. They recognize their responsibility to country and willingly sacrificed, as well as the Spitfire, the fighters, in this impressive collection.